Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I am headed to pick up something really epic for the Duramax. First, let's give it a cold start. I absolutely love the sound of this truck, and it's looking badass as always. Making the Hellcat look really small, if you ask me. And this is with just a 3-inch lift. In fact, it's only 2.5 in the front, 3 in the rear with 34-inch tires. So going up to a 6.5-inch lift, I'm gonna get 4 inches more in the suspension, and then going to a 37-inch tire, well, that's gonna be another 1.5 inches that the body goes up. So in reality, I'm gonna get 5.5 more inches out of these new tires and lift. As you can see, it's already huge. It's just gonna be even bigger. Time to hit the road and pick up the new performance mod for the Duramax. Made it where I was going, and what I was actually doing today is meeting up with the original owner of the truck to pick up this EFI tuner from Motor Ops. It's the AutoCal. This way I can delete everything. That's right, delete, 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 or click delete it. Everything is gone. So I've been here for a couple hours with the previous owner, which is pretty cool, seeing pictures of the truck when it was delivered to him and what the truck looked like before he did anything to it. So I'm gonna have some stock pictures to go off of in comparison once I'm done with the lift and everything else. The DEF fluid is gone, the exhaust is straight pipe, everything has been deleted except the EGR, which I have deleted in the tune, but now I have to install these plates right here. I gotta come up with a new name besides Dirty Max. I'm thinking about calling it a Filthy Max, but let's see how nice it drives with the race tune. So as you guys can hear, it pulls like crazy and sounds awesome. It is so much faster with the race tune on, but I'm gonna show you guys something that every Duramax needs if you're gonna run a race tune, and that is a lift pump. It's officially on the Duramax. Let me show you guys. So there it is right here, the AirDog lift pump, and basically it helps the CP4 pump on the Duramax. Now, on a Duramax, they don't have a regular fuel pump. It's basically in the engine bay. It's a CP4 pump, and it draws fuel from the tank, which really sucks on high horsepower applications, which is why you need a lift pump, as the Duramax doesn't come from the factory with a lift pump. And I find that pretty sucky. Most people do too, but this is the AirDog lift pump, and it helps put high pressure diesel fuel to the CP4. This way, you can run a race tune. So now it's officially on the truck. I highly recommend getting a lift pump, especially if you're going to run the 150 horsepower race tune, whether it's from Corey Willis or Motor Ops, and especially if you're going to run max effort from Corey Willis, which is 200 horsepower. Highly recommend getting the lift pump from AirDog or a fast fuel system. Either or, doesn't matter. But what I will tell you is eventually I recommend, if you have a Duramax, converting to the CP3, which is what I'm probably going to do. I'm also going to delete my EGR so I don't have any issues with the cooling. I don't want to put the plates in there and just have a cooling issue and then be broke down on the side of the road and have to basically do the EGR delete anyway. So I'm going to get the EGR Delete kit as well, and that is definitely another must-do for Duramax owners. So I'm going to be doing that along with the CP3 conversion eventually down the road. Got to change the trans fluid and filter, the differential fluids also, along with the lift and new 37-inch tires. Lots of stuff to come for the Duramax. I also going to have some more content on the Integra. I really do need to get something going with the Integra. I got the Hellcat that I have got many things I still have to do. I gotta have a rematch with my buddy Mike, Street Speed 717. We definitely gotta run the Hellcat against the McLaren again, or the McChicken, as I've got my McChicken killer mode working pretty well. Gonna get it tweaked before that. And of course, the Dirty Max, which I'm probably gonna call the Filthy Max. So that's what's in store. Lots of things to come for the Filthy Max, lots of things to come for the Hellcat, and I got some more things coming for the Integra Type R. It's definitely a beauty, and I love this car. There's going to be no getting the Filthy Max in the garage. It's definitely not going to happen. As you guys could see, it's only a 3-inch lift on 34 tires right now, and it will not clear. So once it's got the BDS 6.5-inch lift and 38 tires, there's just no way, zero possibility that I would get the truck in here. In fact, it would almost be as high as the ceiling, so it's definitely not going to clear the door. It's hilarious, but it's so big I'll never get it in my garage. The Hellcat will definitely be going in the garage when I do work on it, so it looks like a beast compared to the Hellcat. So there's two options with the EFI Live platform for a Duramax. One is AutoCal, and that's tuning by Motor Ops. The other is PPEI, which is Corey Willis. And he has the aggressive 200 horsepower max effort tune, whereas Motor Ops only has the 150 horsepower race tune. With the Motor Ops, you get a 30 horse, 60, 100, and 150. You get the same exact ones with Corey Willis and the PPEI, but you also get max effort 200 horsepower. So I ran the AutoCal for Motor Ops. They'll also do a 200 horsepower tune once I call them and ask them to customize it and let them know I have a lift pump. So that's an option for the future. I went with the AutoCal for Motor Ops. Damn good company, I've heard. I've also heard good things about Corey Willis, so I don't have anything negative to say about either, but so far I'm loving the tune from Motor Ops. It's made the Duramax come to life. It's now beast mode all day. It is so much fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video today. Delete, delete, delete. The EGR is deleted. The DEF is deleted. The catalytic converter is deleted, and I'm running the race tune and a lift pump installed. The Filthy Max got all kinds of love today. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed it. Lots more stuff coming to the channel. Don't forget to check out DrivewayDemons.com. Get your t-shirts there, and keychains are now available. Support the channel there at DrivewayDemons.com. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below. What do you guys think of today's video? For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, take care. Have a great day.